What's up, guys? Listen, today we are going to take a fall color ride. And I know what you're saying, what you're thinking. Guys, number one, where's Deuce? Where's your truck? And number two, isn't it raining?
It is raining.
It is. Well, we're hoping to drive out of the rain. And this is hurricane, what's...
What, I don't know.
Delta?
Delta.
Is that right?
I know we went through the entire alphabet already.
What a year.
2020.
So anyway, we're getting little remnants of that, but where we're headed is west and north, and according to the radar, we'll make it, and it shouldn't be raining on us. We're not in Deuce because if you haven't seen some of the other videos on my other personal channel, I have a 1973 Mustang convertible. That is a lot of fun to drive, especially for this type of a road trip, and so that's what today is supposed to be. However, the rain may rain us out. So,
I really think we're going to get out of it.
Okay, well, we're going to hope. We're going to keep our fingers crossed. So first, though, we got to fuel up, and then we'll hit the road. First stop we have to make is at O'Reilly's because we've named her Mrs. Jones. Long story, we'll get into that later, but anyway, she needs an air filter, so we're stopping at O'Reilly's to get one. We went in to get it, and their website said they had it. However, apparently it's at their store that's on the complete opposite end of town. So now we got to revamp and either make the trip all the way across or see if there's a AutoZone or some other supplier that might have it. It's hard finding parts for a 73. Okay, let's try again. Second O'Reilly's, let's see if they got it. Something very, very satisfying about that. We're in Conway, and we've actually come mostly out of the rain. So we're gonna chance it and put the top down and see if we can keep from getting rained on. Let's go to the mountains and see if we can see some color.
The first time that we'd ever been up here was this year, earlier. As soon as the camping restrictions were lifted for Arkansas, we made reservations that very first weekend, and we came up here, and that would have been early May, and it was beautiful. It was almost like getting to go back in time and have a spring all over again in May, because everything was just starting to bud. The trees were super green. There was just all those different shades of green that you see in springtime trees. And so today we're up here, very beginning of the leaves starting to change, and the colors are beautiful.